Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing Datz Jammin. Now he is based on the Mercedes-Benz T80 and they're 3,000 horsepower and have a top speed of around 375 miles an hour, and obviously helps keep in the Salt Flats episode for Cars on the Road, which was a 9-episode short series where obviously McQueen and Mate were travelling to Mate's sister's wedding. He was getting ready to cruise near his cousin. Ooh, that was a lot to say. And he's also named after Cars on the Road assistant editor Jamie Datz. Now, in terms of design, you can see that he has very sleek design, because he needs to go fast, doesn't he? You go, as you can see, number 8. Yeah. Then, on the bonnet as well, number 8. You can get it. Very smooth as well, actually. And moving on to the back, where we have, as you can see, quad exhausts, intakes, or probably, and a parachute to, slow them down after achieving such high speeds. Yeah. And, just for comparison, here are some next gens. Traction Storm, Barry the Pedal, and Clocker. And they're obviously meant to be very, you're faster than the stock cars, like your Winford, yeah. Yeah, obviously, him and Barry are the same sponsor, as you can, probably tell. Then obviously, and then, that's pretty much all there is. And in terms of releases, he was originally released in 2022, which obviously Cars on the Road was released. Then also he was released as a colour changer and 2-pack with Royce Revsley, and maybe a couple more, not too sure. Mr. Docket, help me out. Ooh, and if you're interested, which probably aren't, here's the base, as you can see, main tag, where all the Disney cars are made nowadays. An R34A, probably 34th week, 2023. I don't know, I'm not too sure. Mr. Docket, help me out, please. See Mattel and all that. And yeah, so I think that's, pretty much all there is to say. See you in the next video.